So now we're going to sign up for our Napster account and download the Napster software to our computer. So the first step in doing this is to open your web browser and navigate to www.napster.com. Here's the home page. This is what it looks like. Over here on the right hand side, you'll see click here to start 7-day free trial. I'm going to click on this to do the free trial. And it will take you to this Napster sign up page to create an account. So go ahead and choose a member name and complete the rest of the fields. This area at the bottom is totally optional. It's if you have a Napster gift card and you want to use it towards paying for your subscription. Once you have entered in all the necessary fields, go ahead and click Next. Then here at step 2, choose a plan. You can choose between Napster, which is a free 7-day trial and then it's only $10 per month for unlimited access to millions of songs, or Napster to Go, which is a free 7-day trial and then only $15 per month for Napster Plus unlimited portability to a compatible device. This series is primarily going to focus on the regular Napster, so I'm going to choose the first one. Then enter in your billing address and your payment information. When you're done with this step, click Submit. You will then be greeted by this Napster welcome page, and it will ask you a way that you want to get started. There's two different options here. You can either listen to music now on the web, and you can play millions of full-length songs on demand directly from your web browser, or you can manage your music collection by downloading the Napster software. Go ahead and click on Download Software. Remember that the software is only available if you're on a Windows PC. You should immediately get a pop-up just like this one asking you to save the file. Go ahead and click on Save File and it will automatically begin downloading to your computer. Once the file is finished downloading, go to your desktop and double-click on the icon to install the program. And that concludes this section on signing up for Napster and downloading the Napster software program.